Lloyd, my love. His wife left him this morning.
Oh. Freddie! I think the point is that you've had a great and terrible fright when she mentions income tax, and you feel very exposed and insecure and want something familiar to hold on to.
Thank you, Lloyd. That is most helpful.
Bless you, my sweet.
And on we merrily go. Yes, but I can hear voices.
Yes, but I could hear voices.
Voices? What sort of voices?
People's voices.
But there's no one here.
Miss Crackit.
Miss Crackit?
One has certain obligations.
Oh, look, she's opened our sardines.
Come back.
What?
You can't go downstairs like that.
Why not?
Miss Crackit.
Miss Crackit?
One has certain obligations.
Sardines. Yes, sardines. Very fine. Something's too lousy. Oh, you're still poking around, are you?
Yes. Still poking. I don't
Hearing covered, were you?
No. Oh, look. Just going through the inventory, checking sheets and pillowcases. Miss Blackett?
Blackett, dear. Blackett.
Yes, Miss Blackett. Is there anyone else in the house, Miss Blackett?
Oh, I haven't seen no one, dear.
I thought I heard voices.
Voices? No voices here, love.
I must have imagined that.
You must have.
Oh, good heavens! I beg your pardon?
Oh, good heavens! The study door's open.
There's another car outside. That's not Mr. Hackham's, is it? Oh, Mr. Dudley's.
Nothing's on in this house.
Final notice. Steps will be taken to strength proceedings in court.
Oh, yes, and that reminds me, a gentleman's come about the house.
Don't tell me I'm not here.
So I'll let them all go over then.
Let them do anything, just so long as you don't let them know that we're here.
Right then, love. So I'll just sit down and turn on the sardines. I've forgotten my sardines. I don't know if it was a fixed to me head. I forget the very day it was.
I didn't get this. I'm not here. I'm in Spain. But if I didn't get it, I didn't open it.
I didn't have a dress like this, did I?
Didn't you?
I shouldn't have bought something as tawdry as this. Oh, it's not something you gave me, is it?
I should have never touched it.
No, it's lovely.
Stick it down, put it back, never saw it.
Well, I'll just put it in the attic with all the other things you gave me that are too precious to wear. All right, now the study door's open again. What is going on?
Knocking.
Upstairs. Oh my God, there's someone in the attic.
Oh, it's you.
Of course it's you. Put me in here in the dark with all of my sheets and things.
But darling, why did you lock the door?
Why did I lock the door? Why did you lock the door?
I didn't lock the door.
Someone locked the door.
Well, we can't stand here like this.
Like what?
Your underwear.
Okay, I'll take it off.
Oh, in here. Darling, this glue. Is it the sort you can never get unstuck? Hold it. Oh, Miss Crackett's made us some sardines. Hold it. We have a problem. Oh, bad luck. Which one is it this time?
Left.
It's the left one, everybody.
Left one.
It could be anywhere. Yes. It could have fallen out of the, and then it bounced around the, and gone around the...
Where did did you laugh at it? She didn't see it, poor sweet, it was in her eye.
It was probably on.
Why did I not do that?
She always opens her eyes in a very sort of. I don't know. I always just feel I have to rush.
Oh, why don't you push your feet up?
Oh, yes, everyone look under their feet. Oh, no one move their feet.
Put their feet back exactly where they were.
Pick your feet up one by one.
Brooke, love. This isn't going to happen during a performance, is it? You don't want the audience to miss their last buses and trams.
She'll just have to carry on, won't you, love?
But can she say anything without them?
Can she hear anything without them?
Sorry. Sorry. My poor darling. He stood on his hand. Oh, look at him, the poor sweet.
What's the matter with him?
Nothing, it's just a little nosebleed.
A nosebleed? No one's touched him.
Myron always makes his nose bleed.
I'm so sorry.
Brooke, sweetheart.
I thought you said something to me.
Yeah, go hit the box office manager with this, and you will have officially finished off live theatre at Weston Superman.
Anyway, I found it. Oh, she's found it!
Where was it, love?
In my eye.
In her eye. Not in your left eye.
It had gone around the side. I knew it hadn't gone far. Bobby, are you feeling alright? And Freddie?
Oh, this is
What now?
Nothing's just feeling a little faint. He has this thing about.
The thing about what?
Well, I say the word.
You mean blood? Alright, clear the stage, walking wounded, carry the stretcher cases. On we bloodily stagger. Sorry, Freddie. On we blindly stumble. I'll withdraw that. Can't go down there like that, like towards the Where's Selden?
I think she may have dropped down here somewhere.
Right, keep looking, Selsden. Another 5 pages to go. Anyway, we can't stand here like this, like what? In your underwear? Okay, I'll take it off.
Okay, I'll take it off.
Oh, in here, in here. Darling, this glue. Is it the sort you can ever become stuck? Oh, Miss Clackett's made us some sardines.